Sending your crypto from Kraken to another address is a straightforward process, and this guide will walk you through it in just a few minutes. First, head over to Kraken.com and log in to your account using your username and password. Make sure you have your two-factor authentication enabled and handy for security. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the option to Funding or Withdraw. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on that. You'll now see a withdrawal interface. The first crucial step is to select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Click on the drop-down menu and find the specific coin you're transferring. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is the most critical part, so double-check it for accuracy. You'll also need to select the correct network for your transfer. Make sure this matches the network of the receiving wallet or exchange to avoid losing your funds. Now, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Some cryptocurrencies also require or recommend a memo or tag to be included for proper crediting to your account. On the other side, if your exchange or wallet prompts you for one, be sure to fill it in. Before finalizing anything, Kraken will present you with a summary of your intended transaction. Carefully review the cryptocurrency, the recipient address, the network, and the amount one last time. This is your final chance to catch any errors. Once you're absolutely sure all the details are correct, click the Confirm Withdrawal button. You may be prompted for further verification, such as a confirmation email or a code from your authenticator app. Congratulations! Your cryptocurrency is now on its way. The transfer time can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network congestion, but you can usually track its progress within your Kraken withdrawal history.